So let's look at expansion. This is about assisting with lightness, ease, and appreciation. With a focus on lightness and compassion, awakening to our highest truth. And this one is done by placing the index fingers on the palm and wrapping the thumbs across the index finger and keeping the other fingers up straight, and then placing this on your thighs. And so I'm going to breathe into this mudra of expansion. So for this one, I felt that there was a breath that wanted to push out, 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 out. And then my heart wanted to come forward, flex forward. So I really could feel how in my body, how it was wanting to move that energy outward and expand, blow, open that heart center.